Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Japan's gross domestic product annualized will be released at 2350 GMT. The US NAHB Housing Market Index at 14 GMT. Germany's Wholesale Price Index at 6 GMT. The UK's manufacturing production will be released at 6 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 1 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Robinhood rival eToro secured a valuation of $5.64 billion after its shares surged 34% in their Nasdaq debut on Wednesday, becoming the first US IPO to make it to market after tariff uncertainty delayed several planned launches. Oil prices eased after government data showing US crude oil stockpiles rose unexpectedly last week, prompting investor concerns of excess supplies. Both benchmarks traded close to their highest in 2 weeks in the previous session, lifted by a temporary cut in US-China tariffs. Ether has surged over 50% month-to-date in May, vastly outperforming the broader crypto market's 15.25% gain. The rally has pushed Ethereum's market dominance toward the critical 10% threshold for the first time since March.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.